Your love might steal away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you. I'll be there before. I'll be there for you. Cause you're there for me too. You're still in bed attending work began at 8. You burned your breakfast so far, things are going great. Your mother warned you there'd be days like these, but she didn't tell you when the world has brought you down to your knees. That I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. No one could ever know me, no one could ever see me, since you're the only one who knows. Someone to face the day with, make it through all the rest with. Someone I'll always laugh with, even at my worst I'm best with you. Yeah. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. Or even your year. I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too.
Piolo at Papa P. At sa mga kaibigan naman niya, siya naman itong minahal at inahangaan nila. Kaya Papa Piolo, ito.
DJ, I love you!
Nailalabas niya sa akin yung paghahanap ko, yung tuloy na pagdaloy ng mga ideas.
Bilib ako sa taong yan dahil kahit anong dami na tama, hindi sa bibigay na tulang, pati kompleto yan.
Piolo, parang bata lang din yan.
Pag naglalaro kami, ang kulit-kulit!
Parang hindi superstar.
Lahat po tayo nangarap magkaroon ng isang malalim na kaibigan na di kayo iwan kahit anong mangyari. Natupad po yung pangarap kong yan dahil kay Piolo Pascual. Champion po siyang kaibigan.
Nakakatuwang i-train si Piolo, very disciplined. At kung meron siyang gustong gawin, 100% sigurado yung mga
Hindi siya mukha na maganda.
Kuya Miguel ay mabuting tao. Bukas ang puso niya sa pagtulong. I love you, Kuya Miguel.
Si Piolo! Naman siya ang masaya ng tao! Lalo na ang kapatid niya!
more exciting at laging makuha.
I feel happy inside. It's such a feeling that I can't hide. I can't hide. I can't hide. Oh no, don't
Happy birthday, Papa P! Nakakaiyak naman yun! Happy birthday, Mr. Johnson! Happy birthday!
Kaya naman talaga.
Hindi, kasi ganito yung blocking ng Bea. Yung una, yung anak muna niya sa Noah. Tapos yung pangalawa, yung totoo na.
Sorry, Papa P, pero parang may bago na. Asan na yung aanyak ko?
Pogi.
Oo, inaalam mo. Teka lang, meron yata message yung mga kids. Si Jan, Irene, meron ba kayo message for Tito Piolo?
Happy birthday po, Kuya Piolo. Sana po marami po kayong projects. Maraming salamat po sa pag-aalaga niyo sa akin.